good morning. Now we will today talk about the metabolism. See, metabolism is defined as the biochemical modification of one chemical form to another occurring through the specialized enzymatic system. So it involves the conversion of the lipophilic chemical compounds into highly polar derivatives that can be and that can be easily excreted from the body. See, everything what we eat or what we have is needs to be the metabolized, and it has to be converted from the active form to the inactive form, and this inactive form has to be excreted from the body. So when we talk about a drug, whether it's a xenobiotic drug or it is there is two phase 1 and phase 1 and 2. In phase 1, cytochrome P450 enzyme degrade the drug into an oxidized form, and it causes a detoxification conjunction, means by process like glucoordination, glutathione conjugation, and various process the drug is excreted from the body. So, since lipid soluble substances undergo passive reabsorption from the renal tubules into the bloodstream, they accumulate in the body and lead to toxic reactions. So, to avoid the same, the body has been provided with an armory in the form of metabolic system. The system transforms lipophilic, water insoluble, and non-polar drug into more polar and water soluble metabolites that is easily excretable from the body. So, thus, fitting and aptly drug metabolism is termed as a detoxification process. So, some of the metabolites are required for the drug action. The phenomena is being exploited in the design of prodrug. So, the same metabolic process can lead to the generation of the reactive metabolites which are toxic to the human body. So this term is known as the bioactivation of the drugs, which depends specially on the important structural features present in this compound. Second is the metabolic organs. Metabolic organs are those that involved in the drug metabolism. It means the smooth endoplasmic reticulum of the liver cell. So it is because the presence of the large amount of the varieties of enzyme, the drug metabolism happens in the liver and is called as a hepatic metabolism. In addition to liver, every biological tissue of the body has the ability to metabolize drug. So, the drug metabolism process occurring in the organs other than the liver is called extrahepatic metabolism. The other sites includes lung, kidney, placenta, epithelial cells of the GIT tract, adrenals and skin. So most moreover these sites are involved in the limited extent in this process, and around 70% of the drug undergo metabolism is catalyzed by the enzyme present in the above mentioned sites. This is the chemistry of the drug metabolism. Is the main enzyme for the metabolic reaction is the cytochrome P450 family, and how this bioinorganic chemistry of drug metabolism take place is the cytochrome P45 enzyme is also known as the microsomal mixed function oxidase. So the CYP enzymes are membrane bound protein in the smooth endothelium reticulum of the liver and other tissue, and the most important enzyme for phase 1 transformation of the drug. So this enzyme contain a heme prosthetic group where heme is the iron porphyrin unit, and the oxidizing sites in this enzyme in the heme setter is responsible for the oxidation of hydrophobic compound to the hydrophilic or more polar metabolites for the subsequent excretion. So this is the general chart that how the binding of the substrate, how it will lead to the catalytic cycle of CYP450 leading the oxidation of the substrate. See, there is subfamilies based on the amino acid sequence. Out of this, 18 CYP have been identified in the members comprising CYP1, 2 and 3. Here is the CYP IA2 that metabolized drug into the amitriptyline clozapine. 2A6 for acetaminophen. 2C8 that is for torsemide and paclitaxel. 2C9 diclofenac ibuprofen phenytoin. 2C19 diazepam omeprazole phenytoin. 2D6 amitriptyline metoprolol non-triptyline. 2E1 enflurane halothane. 3A4 carbamazepine erythromycin and zolpidem. So, if we talk about the biochemistry of the drug metabolism, it will also have a very much reaction, that is a various phase. Till this we have far understand about the cytochrome enzyme, and after that we will have a review on the organic chemistry of the drug metabolism. See, if a thing doesn't metabolize, or if anything is in the liver and prolonged in the liver, so definitely if something is toxic and it remains in our body, it will cause harm, it will become carcinogenic. And this carcinogenic is very harmful for our body. So for this there is a need that we should convert the inactive into inactive. We have to stop their action, and after that that needs to be eliminated from the body. Thank you.